What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can download YouTube videos in Android Gallery without any app. Now you can also do this with your iOS device because the interface of YouTube is just the same between Android and iPhone. Alright, now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. Now once that is taken care of, you can open up your YouTube app and choose the video that you want to download. Now say for example we choose this one, so all you have to do is look below the video and here you will find several buttons. So first we have the like and dislike button, and we have the share button, and here we can see that we have the download button here. So all you have to do is tap on download and you will have an option which quality you want to download the video with. So you have medium and we have low, but if you are on YouTube Premium, then you can go ahead and download this video at 720p. Right, so after that you just tap on download and this video is going to be downloaded into your gallery. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.